Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix your blink mini camera when it's flashing green and what the blinking light means.
A blinking green light usually indicates the camera is trying to connect to Wi-Fi, is updating, or is in setup mode. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working and the camera is within range. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Open the Blink app and check if the camera is connected. Step 4. If not, remove the camera from the app and set it up again. Fix 2. Power cycle the camera. Step 1. Unplug the Blink mini camera from the power source. Step 2. Wait for 10-15 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and watch the LED. Step 4. The green blinking should stop once the camera reconnects. Fix 3. Check for firmware update. Step 1. Open the Blink app. Step 2. Select your camera. Step 3. If a firmware update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Step 4. The green blinking should stop after the update. Fix 4. Reset the camera. Step 1. Locate the reset button on your Blink Mini. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button for 10-20 seconds until the LED blinks red and green. Step 3. Release the button. Step 4. Re-add the camera in the Blink app and follow the setup instructions.